Right, so I've got my cord. All I'm going to do, I've made a bite. All I'm going to do is flip that down like that. Okay, so I've got 2 loops. Now I'm going to get this right hand loop. I'm going to put it over the left loop like that. Okay. Now this right hand cord is the one we're going to be using all the time. And I'm going to wrap this cord around my thumb. It's going to go around the back of the knot like that. And then just like a lanyard knot or a Celtic button knot, the end is going to come up the left hand side like that. We're going to go down through the middle like that, and then up that right side loop like that. So you got this shape going on. Okay, now this cord that we're still working with is going to come up next to my thumb like that. I'm going to take my thumb out of the knot, and this cord is going to go down through the middle like that. Then you just grab the ends at the bottom and kind of just take the slack out of the knot. So all I'm doing is pulling all the slack out like that, trying to keep the shape. Let's do it again. Now I did a little bit of looking on the internet and found out that these Chinese button knots were usually made out of silk or cotton, and they were used as buttons for pajamas because you can have them, tie them flat. You can tie them flat, or you can make them into a ball, into a lanyard knot, and it's not uncomfortable. Okay, now this is paracord, so I wouldn't recommend putting this on your pajamas. But there, right, now we can flop these sides over like that, and you can see it's beginning to look like a diamond knot. So we're just going to carry on taking the slack out. You take the slack out till it looks like a diamond knot, basically. Now you got this little piece in the middle here, so what you can do is just kind of pull that out like that to make it look a bit better. But yep, that is a Chinese button knot.